SoftVelocity.
In this new chapter, I would like to add a Lightbox to the H5 application. For example, I have this picture here, and I would like to have this effect, a Lightbox. I'm going to use Luminous because it is very easy to use. We have to download it, of course. I have it already here. A couple files, of course, the CSS and the script itself. Now, let's add Luminous to the skeleton. The skeleton will need this. Let's shut down H5 first. And let's save the new skeleton. Let's restart H5 because we need to see how to use Luminous. You can call Luminous on a class. Let's take a look at the class for the picture. As we can see, the class is img responsive. Okay, we will use it. Let's go back to Clarion and let's add Luminous. There we go. Let's run the H5 application again. Let's take a look. It should be very straightforward to add this effect to the H5 application. Let's see, if I click on it, nothing is going to happen. Let's see why. Let's see if we have an error. Yes, we do have an error. We don't have an HREF, and we will need it. Let's take a look at the picture. Of course, we do not have an HREF. Let's go back to Luminous. I need to see and compare the example with what I have. Of course, we are missing the HREF. And Clarion does not have an HREF for the picture. We don't have it here. Let's take a look anyway. No, we don't have an HREF. Don't worry. We can, of course, we can write a small script to add the missing attribute. How? Well, first, I'm going to use JQuery. Based on what, you will ask? Well, what if we try to select all the pictures inside the document with that class? So we are able to select one of the pictures because that's the only one having this class. Now what I have to do is to add the missing part, and that's very easy to do. Let's do it again. Basically what I'm going to do is to tell jQuery, go select all the elements inside the document with this class, and on the HREF replace it by this. Inside of the function I'm going to select again the same, and I'm going to replace it with the source. Let's do it. Let's click on it. It is working now, because if I go back, I will see that I have the HREF here. Then all I have to do is to add this JQuery before the script is being called. Actually, I can do it after the script has been called, but let's do it in order. And let's run it. Let's run the application again. Okay, let's take a look at the new application, and everything should work perfectly. It is working. If I click on the picture, it will have the Lightbox functionality now. And it was very easy to do because H5 is awesome. All you have to do is extend it using a few plugins, and you have a full feature application with modern technology in a few minutes.